What's going on? It's Jacob all here. Oh, hold on a second. No, this is not a COVID mask. But, as you can see, it's dirty because I use it. And so does he. So he doesn't smell his own farts. All right, so what is it? So, this is another tool with a tool. What we got here is a pretty sweet little setup, right? And you guys also, you should know that I also do woodworking, but I've been painting the Raptor and grinding all the existing chassis, rust, because it's a Ford loose. And Base Camp, they reached out to me and said, we've got some of these carbon filter, triple activated masks. You want to test them out? And of course, the immediate response I say is, woo, free stuff. But I don't lie. I mean, I try not to lie, so that would be a lie. But that's the truth. I try not to lie. And I say to them, that's fine, as long as you want an honest review. And they said, go for it. I said, so if I don't like it? And they said, go for it. So shoot, send it my way. So he sent me 2 masks. This is the one I've been using. It's all dirty. I have been grinding. I have been spray painting and keeping myself from getting high. It's cool, right? You got your loops for your ears, and then you run the strap around. You don't really need to use those, and in most cases I don't, because my beard keeps it, going, and this crazy kid. Okay? They send you extra filters. Okay? I'm going to post a link for this, and I'm going to say that during this opening, because I've been using it now. So this video of me going like, oh, I'm opening it, is not fake, because, it's fake that I've already opened them, but my reaction is real. They're good. They're nice. They do the job. So here's what we got, right? We have a nose clip. This is for the bridge of your nose, and you can bend it to different sizes. So if you've got one of those just big old, I won't even go into it. Okay, you got a big nose, cool. You got a little nose, little unknown fact. Ask Jake's girl, but I love a woman with a nice nose. Okay, let's move on to some real stuff. So, it's got these, and what are these, right? So there's a little thing you turn in here when you want to change it, and it's got a flapper. And that flapper is so when you exhale, it opens up right away. So you're not fogging up your glasses. Whereas a traditional COVID-style mask, you're sitting there, I'm sorry, what? And you're grinding? Not this. When you exhale, it goes right out the front. When you inhale, it goes through this mesh and this mesh. So, you gotta love that. So, I'm gonna add some clips now of me using it. You can take a look, and then we're gonna go back and I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts. You take a look at this mess on my face and see the imprint of the mask. Which means it's sealing pretty well and keeping all the dust out of my face. I'll show you what I'm doing. So, I'm under here. Grinding away at all this confined space. And the nice thing is, unlike all the COVID masks and other crap, the bulky 3Ms with the cartridges, this isn't taking up any space. And I'm able to work under here and breathe without any problems. So that's nice. So I'm gonna get back to work. So see my face? That all would be in my mouth. But you can see, I've got this perfect little dirt mask, and I'm clean everywhere. I thought my beard was good. This guy was. So I'd say that does a pretty good job. Sweet. Okay, so a couple things on this I was noticing. you can replace these. And while I was looking at that, right, so there is this metal reinforced, this is for the bridge of your nose, right? And these, I was like, why would you want something that bypasses the filter? And then when I took this apart, so you turn this little screw on the inside, and that's how you can pop these out. But if you look, these are little flapper valves. Okay, so when you suck in, these close, but when you breathe out, instead of air coming out here and fogging up your lenses or your glasses, these things open up. So basically, there you go. It's secure. Air goes out there, but comes in this mesh, which goes through this filter. So, pretty sweet. So I hope you liked that. Wasn't that amazing? Very informative. Here's my final thoughts. It's been a day since I filmed that intro. I don't change my clothes. But yeah, check them out. You guys, I mean, you could wear these out with all this new crap. I mean, I call it new because I'm old and this has been around for only 2 years. But I think you'll like them. They're comfortable. They don't cause like the face, you know, fatigueness as a traditional COVID mask does. Don't hurt your ears. And other than, and besides the COVID mask, they let you breathe easier. So you're not like constantly like, oh, I got to take this off. So if you're out in your shop doing welding, doing woodworking, doing, you know, stuff where you don't want to breathe that crap in, that's what these are for. Okay? So it's got activated carbon, enhanced breathability, one-way exhalation valves. That's what I told you about. Ultralight, Velcro fastening, nose clip, all that good fun. So they're good. Check them out. I'll post a link in the description, and I'll also try to post a link in the first comment. If you guys have any questions about these, or you want to see me review anything else, or you just want to drop and say hi, hi. Otherwise, smash the like, please subscribe, and tell all your friends, because it's time for me to, what do I say at the end of my videos? Heat it. Oh, seriously, come on.
End video?
No, pack out. See ya. Pack out. Thanks, everyone.